Hello, folks, students. Let's welcome back another important session. Let's explore one new field, introduction in document type definition for S4 HANA. So, how to determine shipping conditions from ship to or sold to. Okay. So generally, if you look at that in ECC, most of the times from header, the shipping conditions got determined from your sold to in ECC. So if you look at this, this is the sample document type. I have copied from OR as the div R1. If you look at this, this is the field where you can probably see this is in delivery section. Okay, of the sales document type. Assign shipping conditions from the ship to master record. That means you are mandating the system always read it from only ship to. B, if shipping conditions from ship to party are empty, a default it will be read through sold to party shipping conditions. Okay, so what is blank means it is not going to check this feature. A means it will check SN shipping conditions from ship to. B means shipping conditions from if shipping conditions are empty. Okay, here it is maintained, then it is read. If it is not maintained, it is reading from sold to. Blank means by default it is sold to. Let's try to check this with some example. Okay, for understanding this, I have created some 3 plans for testing. Okay, DRP2. Okay, this is basically the plants. Okay, and with the same material code. Okay, or else if you want, you can able to see for same material only. We can able to check it. Okay, okay, same material code. Okay, so let's try to explore this. So probably I'll just try to go to the SAP system. So if you look at this, this is the material. Okay. So slash n SC16N. So maybe I'll take MVKE. Okay. Let's copy this material. So this is the material for this sales organization and division. Currently it is with DRP1. Okay. Now let's go to what I would say SPRO. So reference ing. Let me check in enterprise structure. Go to the assignments. This is for scenario creation I'm doing. You can able to do it with a single plant also. There is no issue. So let's go to DRAM. So now currently it is got assigned for these 3 plants. FMCs 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 plants. So let me try to go to SC16N again. Let me check this. And probably this is Marty. I'm just giving this material. So this material is supposed to be extended for all these 3 plants. Now it is got extended. One is having stock. Anyhow, we don't require, we're not going to create a delivery. So once it is determined, whatever the plant from that plant, the stock will pick. So what is our objective in sales order? Okay, we'll try to take 3 kind of shipping conditions. So based on probably like, I'll show you what needs to be done. So let's go to the SPRO. So reference IMG. So first, I have already defined 3 shipping points also. That is different story. You can able to take the same shipping point. It's not an issue for testing. Go to the logistics execution. Go to the shipping. Okay. Probably I can go shipping functions, shipping point determination. Let me take shipping conditions. Okay. So let me take, this is D1, like immediate. Okay, it is already there. Maybe P1 I can take. This also defined. Okay. DI immediate. Okay, so this is DN normal. Okay, DM. So maybe within 2 days. Okay, so three kind of shipping conditions I have defined. See, enterprise structure and later whatever the required settings, like storage locations, everything you need to set up actually. So probably I'll just put here. So this is shipping conditions. We'll make the cases. I'll show you uh, how this field work. Okay. So the description. Okay, this is for shipping conditions. Let's take the storage location. This is sale, and this is sale 1, and this is sale 2. Okay, so if you want, you can take the same storage location also. Just for scenario creation, I have taken 3 different storage locations. So let's save this. So let's try to do the shipping point determination. Okay, so let's click on assign shipping point. So probably let me check. It is there for initial one. So 01. So this is a 001. So this is DRP1. Okay. So for this, it is already there 01. And let's do one thing. Okay. Uh, maybe let's keep. We can keep this one, or else we can able to maintain different one. Okay. Let's take this. Anyhow, we define this one. Our own one, we can able to do it. Go to the new entries. Okay. So come back to the scenario. So you have to take 2 BP customers. Okay. BP1 and BP2 and BP3. Okay. So I assume that this is sold to itself and this is shipped to itself. But these are alone additional ship tos. Okay. Because scenario we need to check based on ship tos, right? So what we have to do is once we created this BP1, okay, we have to assign it this BP2 and BP3 as additional ship to. Okay. So when we maintain shipping conditions for these two, okay. So in sales order, with this combination, like this combination, and sold to and ship to combination. For example, if I am taking BP1 as a sold to, BP1 as a sold to, so then, so like it need to be determined by. So maybe let's put it. This is DI and this is DN. Okay, so that means this is immediate and this is normal. Okay, just for scenario change. So it is always it need to be determined by normal shipping conditions. That means it need to determined by DN. So case 2, you take uh, sold to and ship to. Okay, here sold to, if you take BP1, so you take BP2, then so based on the document type, okay, as I said that, so if I choose, let me go back. So if I choose A, shipping conditions from ship to, okay. If I choose B, it is only, so if I make it empty, then, so we will take the cases actually. So this is case 1. So this is how you need to explore. Don't think that it is a small field and all those things, okay. So if you look at this, this is the, what I would say. So here is normal, okay. So here normal, if you suppose if you maintain TN and for BP2, this is immediate, okay. Immediate means DI. So if I choose A, so it must define DI, that is our target. Okay. So there is no meaning, like, here for both it is normal, the same. So this case, anyhow, if you choose A or B also, you cannot able to find the difference actually. Case, same case. Okay. So or also I'll put it the case. So suppose case 3. Case 3, if I take BP3 and this is within 2 days, so then it should be DM. Okay. If I choose A here, it must be DM, must be determined. Okay. We can able to check all these cases in sales order. Last but not least, case 4. Okay. So just try to take this case. Okay. So, but what I want to do is, so like, so I just wanted to make it this one as blank. That means, so this is B, okay, from document type. So obviously it should determine DN. Okay, these are the target. These are the targeted cases to explore actually. Okay, so we have defined shipping conditions. Let's try to do the shipping point determination also. So first one is DN. Okay, normal. So loading group, you can able to take the same thing. So this is ZDR S1. Okay. DR P1 is the plant. Okay. First plant. So DR S1. So next one is what? DI, immediate loading group. DRP2, you can able to take the same plant also for testing. Okay. DRS2. Okay. You can take the same, what do you call, shipping point also, nothing will happen, but just proper business scenario, I'm just explaining you. So your shipping point will be like different gates or else from different locations, from different plants need to determine based on the ship to that we can able to play with the system. Okay. So normal, immediate, DM. Okay. DM is within 2 days. So for this, I'm just taking DRP3 and DRS3. You can take the same shipping point, also no issues for testing. I'm just showing you. Okay. So now get it ready. Now let's go to the BP master data. I have already created some BPs. Let me show you. So this guy is sold to and shipped to is the same, but I have assigned these BPs. Okay. So this is basically your normal. Okay. DN means normal. Whenever, what is my target in a sales order? This is case 1. Okay. If you go back to the case 1, okay, if I take this, it should be determined. Or else with this, if I take ship to, then ship to BP must be assigned to this one, right? So like this. Okay. That's what I have done. So let's come here. So first case, go to the partner functions. So this guy is the sold to BP. So let's copy. So this is the sold to BP. So for this sold to BP, we have assigned this guy and this one as this guy. I think, let me check. So 33 only. Okay, no problem. Okay. So this is the thing. So here, first case is this one and this one. Okay. Second case, we are taking this one and this one. Okay, then I need to change, I need to maintain shipping conditions of DI. Okay, so here, so this one, this guy. So here, this guy. So let's take this guy only. So you can take 3 also, no problem. Let's try to test it. All these 3 cases. So repeatedly, if you watch, you can understand better. Don't confuse. Okay. So let's try to check the case 1 now. So before that, let me maintain the shipping conditions in BP. So let's save this. So now go to the, so this guy is 3. Okay. So for him, shipping conditions will be immediate. What is this? Okay, this is delivery priority. Okay. So let's change this as TI. This is, let's put it 01. Okay, let's save this. So now go to, so this guy is third one. So for him, DM. Okay, within 2 days. So you can able to take anything for that matter. Okay. So third guy is this guy. Okay, don't confuse with this BPN number actually. So I have given the customer numbers because for creating sales order, we require that one only. Okay, now let's go to the document type. Mm, where I am now? I am here. Okay, so now let's go to the document type definition. Okay, so my document type from OR, I copied it as a DOR1. Let's try to check here. Okay. So first we'll maintain, we'll try to read it from shipping conditions from ship to party master record. No. Let's make it blank and test it now. First, what it will happen. I will show you one by one. Okay. So that means I haven't chosen anything, neither A or nor B. Okay. So let's go to the order now. So I'm just choosing this one. Okay. Same. So what is the material? I just need to check, otherwise the material I haven't maintained here. Okay, no problem. One moment. I know the material code. So I haven't chosen any option. So obviously it should be, so don't worry about all these things. Okay. So let's click on continue. Okay. So that is because of availability check. Now go to the header and try to check the shipping. So it is normal. Normal means like it is from sold to it is reading. Okay, this is there in ECC also. Now let's try to check the case by case. Okay, so what is the first case? So like DN is from normal, from sold to, we'll choose this one. Okay, let's try to test this case. So obviously, so before that, I need to make a setting also. Slash and Vivo V8. We're going to check A. Let's come here. So where is that? So go to the delivery section. So, okay. So not this one. Yeah. So let's to the delivery here. Yeah. I only confused actually sometimes. Okay. So let's keep it this one as A. Obviously, A, what is A? A means, okay, if I choose the case one, okay. So what I am saying to the system, like, please read ship to conditions, okay, not sold to, okay. So let's come here. Let me show you again, okay. So this is what probably you can able to see the slide directly parallelly. Assign shipping conditions from ship to master record. That's what the target is all about. We're going to test it now. So once we come here, okay. So let's try to raise a new sales order and with the same document type. So from 31, it is normal. This is immediate. Obviously, it should read from here. Okay. Uh, so let's put it case one. So let's take the material. We take any quantity for that matter, no issues. So let's go to the shipping. See, immediate it is reading because since we are asking from here, okay. So let's select this. I'll show you this for your understanding here. So for example, for sold to what it is maintained, DN actually, okay. So let's select this and go here. So because of, since A is maintained, so it must read from there actually. Let's go to the partners ones. So let's try to click on this one so that it will go to this one. Okay, let's go to this customer. So it must be, so the partner function, what we have chosen, this is ends with 32, right? 32. The shipping conditions, what we maintain, DI it is chosen. Okay. Then as expected, case one is working perfectly all right. Let's come back. Let's come back. So let me show you one more time. Okay, this is immediate. So let's try to check the immediate and what is the shipping point. It should be okay. So the plant, it need to be, I haven't maintained the plant. That's why it is reading from there. So let's go to the BP. Ration BP. I just need to maintain this setting also properly. So this is, so let's go. Let's read. So this is DR P2. Okay. Save it. In the similar way, go for this guy. So for him, DR P3. Plan determination also important, right? So let's go for new order. Press enter. So, but obviously it should break it from your criteria, like basically it is from material master, and so basically it is from customer material info record and your BP master, and the third one is your material master. Okay, that's it, nothing else to surprise here. Okay. So now you got DRP2. Okay. This is basically case one. Okay. Shipping conditions, DA, you got it. So now let's try to go back to the Excel. So this become, so what I would say, this case two become green. Okay. So anyhow, this is basically it is green already. I have shown you case one and case two. So I'm supposed to maintain case two actually as a P1 number. I've forgotten. So this is case three. We're going to check now. So for this, we'll choose this. Okay. Still it is A only. Okay. Still it is A only. Here also it is A only. So this case, I'll choose the next one so that, instead of reading sold to, it must read from ship to. Okay. So it will build your confidence, right? If you do like this case study. Okay. You just have to, uh, what I would say, prepare like this. It will help you to, let me put it this case too. Okay. Now let's go to the A01. Presenter, since document type it is already A, then there is no point to worry about that. The only thing is that here immediate it is coming. From here it is DM, it will come. It must come. So let's put it this one as case three. So let's try to put some quantity. So stock is not maintained, availability check is on, that's why it is getting. So let's go to the header. One check shipping container. Here you go. DM you got it. Then how many you take? Since you said you have to read it from Vivo V8. This is A from shipping conditions. It is working perfectly all right. Okay. So maybe you have to see here. This is because of A. Now uh, let's try to go for the case three. Okay. Before going ahead, if you would like to learn S4 HANA perfectly, please subscribe my Udemy courses. It is available at cheaper rates. Generally, this price varies to 400 to 600 on weekdays. So now the price is little high. If you really want, you can subscribe my courses. 100%. This is around 60 plus hours with 199 lectures. I'm just trying to add a lot more. Here it will be continuously get updated. Okay. I have a different set of courses if you really want, including idocs and how to write functional specification. You can able to give a try. So now let's see the case three also become green. Okay. So DM we got it. Now let's try to change it to B actually. Okay. So you can take uh, let me take here. So for this case, you have to make a couple of changes. One is like, let's make it. So if it is not from shipping conditions, so please read it from sold to. That's what it is all about. Okay. So if ship to party is empty, okay, then only you have to read it. So let's save this. Okay. So now let's go to the BP now. So you can take maybe let's try to get into this BP. So so let me try to make it blank. But here shipping conditions are mandatory, right? So that's why if I want to check it, I need to make this one empty. Uh, I need to go to the account group and I need to check a lot of things actually. Let's do one thing. Let's test this one. How much time it will take max? Okay. So now let's go to SPRO. Okay. Let's try to make it. Maybe this is it might be at BP level or client level. I'm not completely sure, but Let me try to give financial accounting, account receivable, customer accounts, master data, preparation of customer master data. So let's try to go here. So mine is, let's put it B, uh, B001. Okay, let's go to the sales area data. Okay, let's go to the shipping. So here, someone made it as a required entry. I'm lucky. Let's make it optional entry. Okay. Once I done this, now let's go to the, let me try to go to the BP. Give me a moment. Let's go to this BP. Oh, still it is coming. Is it at BP level? It seems to be. Let me try to move it one more. Let me check here what I am trying here. So let's go to the general data, customer general data. So this is DD01. This is my mistake only. I have changed it for another person. Okay. Let's quickly go to the financial accounting. Okay. 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 I'm good. Let's come here. See, for one scenario, also I am not lazy. Probably I might ask you to check this one, but still I'm trying. That's the spirit. Okay. So let's go to the shipping. Make this one as optional entry. Let's see the luck now. Let's go to the BP. All good. Go here. Get inside. So sales and distribution. So now go to the shipping. Let me make it blank. Okay. So what B says, if you try to make it blank, it should be swirl to. Okay. So let's try to create an order. VA01. So immediate I made it blank, right? That's why I'm going to choose the second one. Obviously, it should be from make it case 4. Okay. Take the same material, no issues, no problem. So double click, go to shipping. You can able to see this. Let's come here. Header. First, I need to check the shipping. See how it is coming, the normal. Okay. So this is how you have to play with the system. Let me try to tell you old interview question on this. Okay. So now case 4 also become green. It is red from normal only. Okay. So this is correct. Let me put it case 5. Okay. Let's take any one of the case. We'll take this case only, or else you take both the cases. Both cases here. Okay. Or else you can take all cases, but maintain conditions in document type. Shipping conditions from doc type. Okay. So I'm not going to determine shipping point for this. Probably if you want, you can able to try later. So what I want to do is, so I would like to show you, if you maintain both any one of the conditions for this, document conditions still overrides your settings actually. So maybe if you take rush order or cache shells, you're going to maintain 10, right? So let's try to make some other shipping conditions. Maybe let me take Y1 outbound road. Okay. You take anything. Currently it is B now, right? But it must determine document condition type. So let's see this. If you try to compare this is Y1, okay, it will try to override all BP related scenarios. So let me check here for a difference. So let's take this first scenario, case 5. Even I need not enter material also. Let me show you here in header. So it's obviously, it should be Y1. Okay. Now let me show you within this only, changing the options. Okay. DOB8. DOR1. Okay. Let's go inside again. Okay. Let's try to make it maybe A. Either maybe A or blank. Okay. So I saved with A, but still it will work with the same scenario. Okay, it overwrites all scenarios actually. So probably you might have some entry questions on it. Be ready for the game actually. So now go and check in a header. What it says, it is Y1. Okay. So this is how you have to do the practice. So this case also become green. If you want, you can able to check any one of it, either A or case or B or blank, all cases. Okay. So probably like by this time you understood, right? So what should be the quality of this course is with the 4.8 ratings. So if you really wanted to learn, you can try this. And I have done a lot of hard work, do this condition contract and rebate settlement also. Better try these two courses. You can able to sit in S4 and interviews with confidence actually. And some one or two topics I left actually, I'm going to add in future for this course. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. And what should I say? Have a great day. Okay, let's catch up in next session. Wishing all the best. If you want any specific topics, please comment. I'll try to find my time and I'll get back to you. Please forward this session to other people also. It will be helpful for them. Have a great day.